Wow, this is so huge. Check out, guys. Bikes, 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 everywhere bikes. I was watching a random video online and I saw something very disturbing. Why are they beating the scooter? Either this scooter owes someone money or this is the most serious test I have ever seen. Now they are giving it a shower? Bro, the scooter is not going to a red carpet. Jokes apart, but this is exactly the kind of thing the cross-border buyers worry about. The photo looks amazing, the suppliers say best quality, and the sample looks good. But when the shipment arrives, the product doesn't match expectations. So let's verify this factory through madeinchina.com because I don't just want a supplier, I want to see the factory profile, verification, product, location, and I want to make sure whether this factory worth visiting because this platform not just showing the product photos, they're showing the verification and address. And the question is simple, is the video real? Okay, today I'm not here to look at shiny scooters. I'm here as a buyer because if a customer import the electric scooters, the real question is not does it look nice? The real question is, will it survive rain, traffic, heat, dirty path hold, speed breakers?
Don't worry, we are in this industry for 29 years.
29 years?
Yeah.
But before we enter the technology, I want to understand the timeline because the factory, they don't build trust in one day. And Luyuan, they started their journey in 1997.
Yes, actually, in 2013, we started our long journey with Made in China.
So you mean that for 13 years, you're not just making the bikes, you're also presenting yourself to the global buyers through madeinchina.com?
Yes.
Okay, Stella, can you briefly introduce the Luyuan's development journey from early days to today?
Sure. We are the only company that can produce such technology.
Oh my goodness, guys, this was the Luyuan's first electric bicycle in 1998. Check out the battery here. I have a very important question, Stella.
Yes?
What was the mileage?
Around 30 kilometers.
30 kilometers in 1998?
Sure, yes.
The second one, 1999. This is industry's first electric bike with plastic exterior. This is industry's first electric bike with color display in 2000. This is industry's first electric bike with extended footrest in 2001. This is premium electric two-wheelers in 2002. This is the flagship model integrating electric vehicle technologies in 2004. This is the pioneer of the comfortable riding electric two-wheelers in 2005. Guys, every scooter has one heart, the motor. This is the heart, and the Luyuan's claim is liquid-cooled motor technology. Stella, what is liquid-cooled motor?
Actually, this is the core technology of our company. We gain a lot of patents and also a lot of prize for this one. We are the only company that developed such technology. We just add some chemical oil inside the motor to help maintain the temperature inside.
So you mean the main core is it decreases the temperature?
Yeah.
And this is why the madeinchina.com supply selection matter because for the high quality suppliers, the product looks doesn't matter. Platform also look whether the factory has the real production strength and the core technology because the weak motor becomes the repair problem and the strong motor becomes the repeat business. The normal riders, they don't think much about the temperature, they just ride. But for the customer, this matters because the heat kills the performance. Because if the motor fails, the customer won't blame the weather, he blames the brand. Now this is my favorite part. A scooter starts like this, just a frame, no personality, no confidence. Actually, me before morning tea. Then station by station, it gets motor, battery, wiring, brakes, body panels, lights, until finally it becomes something people actually trust on road. This is where the buyers looks carefully. A factory is not judged by one perfect sample. It is judged by the each unit coming out with same promise. Now the reason I came here, the torture room, the machine shaking the scooter like it borrowed the money and disappeared. Actually, this is very important because the real roads, they are not just the showroom floors. The real roads have the path holes, dust, overloading, and a lot of things there. Now the water test. If the scooter only works in good weather, that's not a vehicle, that's a mood. If the electronics survive this, so I think the rain should not be a drama. And brakes, very important. Speeding is fun, but stopping is a thing that keeps your mother happy. So guys, you can see this is the braking system of Luyuan. And I can feel it's more smooth. Battery system is another big buyer concern. Range is important, but safety, temperature control, and battery management, that is where serious factories separate themselves from risky suppliers. Now I understand why they torture the scooter. They are not being cruel. They are avoiding the after-sales nightmare. After watching the scooter suffer inside, now it's my turn. If I don't come back, tell the madeinchina.com. The profile was very convincing. Smooth acceleration, good braking, stable body, and most importantly, nothing is making suspicious sounds. That is always a good sign. Luyuan has been connected to madeinchina.com for 13 years. So when you look back at this journey, what value has madeinchina.com brought to Luyuan?
Okay, as Made in China actually brought our product, brought our production lines and our technology to customers. In the past, customers only see pictures online, but currently can see our production capacity and how we operate the factory and our core technology. So it's set the connection with the customers and build long-term cooperation.
So you mean that the madeinchina.com is a real bridge between the Luyuan and to the global buyers?
Yes,
Pretty
true.
awesome. Was there any memorable moment or turning point where madeinchina.com helped Luyuan to reach new buyers?
Okay, very important point is customers starting to notice, pay more attention to the technology and reliability, not only price. Maybe in the past, the customers see low price, okay, I like it. But currently, they see our core technology like the liquid cooled motor, ceramic brakes, so customer will pay more attention on this.
Okay, one more thing I want to understand as a buyer, which model is selling best into different countries?
Actually, different customers have different preference, but there are some main type. For example, some customers maybe pay more attention on the appearance, on the stylish, but some customers maybe focus on the performance.
And what about the Gen Z boys, about the young generation, which kind of bikes they're interested to?
So this kind of customers, they pay more attention on the style, on the safety, not only focus on the function, but they also want it easy to ride and the stylish.
So how many countries are you exporting to?
Okay, so far we have exported to more than 80 countries all over the world.
More than 80 countries.
Yes.
Pretty awesome number.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Okay, warranty time, don't run. All series, warranty of 1 year. That's fine. New liquid cooled EV, 10 years warranty for motor, frame, forks. 2 years for the battery, and rest is for 3 years. When a factory bets 10 years on their own product, that's not marketing, that's confidence. I found this factory through madeinchina.com. And I came here to see what is behind this profile. And now I understand why this factory doesn't just build scooters. Luyuan is the second name of durability, and madeinchina.com confirms it. So if you are sourcing electric scooters, don't just ask how fast it goes. Ask what it survived before reaching you. After seeing all these steps, I only have one question. Can I try this too? I want this kind of durability. No! Stay premium.